Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can get items on Temu for completely free. Yeah, you heard that right. Temu offers an incredibly opportunity for you to grab free items when you're first signing in or signing up. Or in fact, it also offers you a spin the wheel challenge when you sign in after a long while, which allows you to basically win a completely free item. So a lot of these cases, a lot of in a lot of these cases, what you end up getting is a phone case or some small item, but hey, free is free. So I'm going to go over a few ways that you can receive free items on Temu. I'm going to use the help of this WikiHow guide, which perfectly summarizes what you need to do. So first and foremost, you have the opportunity to sign up for Temu for the first time. Now you can use another account if you already have an account on Temu, and that basically gives you, when you download the application, it gives you an opportunity to get free items. Now this will be a coupon that you can then redeem when you're buying. The next opportunity that you get is playing the in-app games. So when you download the applications, there are in-app games in the U icon at the bottom center of the screen. Basically, when you click on your profile, you're going to get an option to play games. Now there's Hat Trick, Fishland, Farmland, Refer and Earn, and holiday specific games. Now Hat Trick basically means you can win for freebies, and you can basically play this game and collect prizes and earn free prizes. Then we have Fishland, which is also the items that you wish to like. They can act as your free prizes, and then so on and so forth. And then we also have an opportunity where you can apply coupon codes. Now you can also do this on the website or on the application. A lot of influencers and people online have a lot of great coupon codes, so you can go ahead and use those. And then you will also get a daily gift box when you have the application installed, which you can claim for a free gift or an insane discount. And you can also just keep checking the Temu application or the website, and you'll see the banners like these. Now these are promotional items that Temu is giving away for free. You will just have to pay for shipping in that while. Then comes the Temu affiliate program. Now this is more to cater towards earning, but basically what you can do is you can get a lot of free stuff from Temu because of their insane amount of I'd say campaigns and discounts, such as this one, big spring sale up to 90% off. This is also an insane discount. So just go ahead, sign in Temu, and seize this opportunity. Thank you for watching, everybody. I hope this video was helpful.